Good morning, Michigan. I'm Mark Linton at Linton's Enchanted Gardens in Elkhart. And today I've got a collection of flowering, vining type of plants, trees, and shrubs that are perfect for growing over an arbor or trellis or training up against that wall. This first flowering vine that I've got here is this gorgeous wisteria, just starting to come into its glory. Now, wisterias have kind of a bad reputation of being hard to get to bloom, and I've really had great success getting our wisterias to bloom just simply by, in the springtime and also in the fall, doing some root pruning. And by chopping through those roots, putting the plant under a little bit of stress, guaranteed to set buds and perform beautifully in your garden. If you've got a sunny area, climbing roses are perfect for growing up a trellis or arbor, and they'll bloom all throughout the summertime. Another personal favorite is bittersweet, and this vine comes into its glory during the fall, producing the most spectacular clusters of bright orange colored berries. It does take a both male and female bittersweet vine in order to produce the berries, and we've made it very easy for you. We've planted them both in the same pot. This is a 5-leaf Cobija. Gets its name because of the clusters of 5 leaves. This is a spring blooming plant, blooms with these beautiful white bell-shaped flowers, and it's a good performer, growing rather quickly up your arbor or trellis. Flowering honeysuckle is great for those that have full sun and would like an aggressive growing vine that attracts hummingbirds and butterflies. Pyracantha, also known as firethorn, produces clusters of white flowers in the spring and then clusters of bright orange colored berries in the fall, which are sure to attract birds. We have trained this Pyracantha into an espalier design, and this is perfect for those sunny areas where you're wanting some height and some width up against a bare wall. This is one of our variegated honeysuckles, has a variegated green and yellow colored leaf with a little hint or tinge of pink on the edge, and these will bloom with beautiful yellow colored flowers throughout the summertime that are guaranteed to attract hummingbirds and butterflies. This is one of our tropical flowering vines. It's a Mandevillian vine called Red Crimson and performs beautifully. Starts blooming early in the springtime, blooms all the way up until frost. This is another one of our tropical flowering vines. This is a blue passion flowering vine. Very aggressive grower and performs beautifully. I wish this had flowers on it so you could see these flowers. These will produce all throughout the summertime. This is a clematis vine. These are beautiful vines that bloom all throughout the summertime, and what I'd like to do is actually mix the colors. If you plant a red one, a white one, and a blue one together, let them grow up, and it'll be like the celebration of 4th of July, and it'll appear like they're blooming all in the same vine. If you'd like to watch this news segment again, visit our website, lintons.com, and click on the YouTube button. For News Center 16, Saturday mornings, I'm Mark Linton with Linton's Enchanted Gardens in Elkhart.